想干嘛？
我们要找食材 PS 李爷啊。
哦，to go with pears。
抽啊。
那你觉得什么东西比较适合跟 pear 在一起？
给啊。
Chicken and pears?
No,
impossible.
Go to the market to buy something.
抽啊，那青蒿都市場買東西嘅，多好食嘅呢。哎呀，一啲區內要動到東西，唔過你講嘅偏乜雞呢
Pear. So what do you want to buy at the market?
今日呢市場會買乜雞咧？會買雞肉，唔講又不配。
Yeah, I don't think we should buy chicken.
毛你啊，你先跟我說你想要做哪一種的？
我應該會想做一個南瓜湯，好不好？
南瓜湯哦。
對啊，因為南瓜也是有一點甜。So if I buy some pumpkin and put it together with the pear, I think it will go together well.
哦，跟南瓜湯都是偏乜雞呢？
南瓜濃湯好了。
我看我的胸口呢，看有什麼東西可以搭配的。
It's good that we come to the market, but I think we should walk around. And maybe we can find something to buy.
好啊，我們來秀一下哦。不然我們再走一走啦。看一下有什麼？哦，看看看。
Go to the market to buy something.
好噶，那青蒿都市場買東西嘅，多好食嘅呢。你也批了咁奇怪。
And I don't know what we should buy.
再看一下條線還有咁多啦。杜麗，有散膚呢。你看一下哦。
You want to buy some clothes?
For you.
Not for me.
No.
Not for me.
哇，按多。
I think if you buy this, it'll look great on you.
Me?
What do you think? It's too small.
不錯，那找一件，再看別件。
先生，我們是來買菜，不是買衣服，好不好？
啊，擺
We don't have enough time to be shopping for clothes. We're here to buy vegetables.
OK，走。
Vegetables, let's go.
請問買豬肉咩？買冇豬肉啊
We didn't find any pork to buy. We didn't find any pumpkin to buy.
好噶。
Where can we buy pork? Where can we buy pumpkin?
冇你啦，我們去那個超級市場看一下。
好。
嗰邊聽說有豬肉誒，冇聽說沒有 pumpkin。好嘛
We can go to the other market and buy some pumpkin.
OK, go.
Go to the market to buy something.
好噶，那青蒿都市場買東西誒，多好食嘅呢。